Hi, I'm Denise, and I have just completed a 5-week pre-Turkey Day boot camp with Coach Phyllis. What made this program different that she offered was that the program nutrition and exercises were geared specifically for me. She also kept us accountable, which really changed how my mind was concerning my own life and my lifestyle. And once she modified that program for me, the weight just fell off. That I've lost over 12 pounds, and I've lost inches in my arms, my waist, and in my hips. And I am very, very near to, if not at my goal. If you are tired like me of being inconsistent, if you need someone to come alongside you and to help you along with your journey, if you need someone to give you a specific program specifically for you, Coach Phyllis is the person that you need to go to. I really appreciated her, and I look forward to working with her on special programs to tone my body as I continue my weight loss journey.